Here's something that should bother every executive in financial services. Your firm probably has firewalls, endpoint protection, multi-factor authentication. Maybe you run phishing simulations twice a year. And none of that stops the most common way firms actually get breached. Someone clicks something that they shouldn't. Someone wires money because a request looked like it came from a managing partner. Someone picks up a phone call from what sounds like your prime broker. Social engineering doesn't hack your systems, it hacks your people. For years, the answer has been to train harder, more awareness programs, more simulated phishing emails, but that approach has a ceiling, and most firms have already hit it. What's changing now is where the defense actually lives. AI native operating systems, and I'm talking about what Microsoft and Apple are already shipping today, are starting to move that burden off the individual and onto the machine itself. The system evaluates behavioral patterns, it flags anomalies in real time, it can intervene before a user completes a fraudulent action, not after credentials are already gone. That matters enormously in environments like hedge funds and private equity, where people are working fast, under pressure, and attackers know it. SEC examiners and LP due diligence teams are already asking whether your controls are enforced through technology or just documented on paper. We train our staff regularly is no longer a sufficient answer. The firms that will be better positioned operationally, regulatorily, and in front of their investors are the ones treating the human layer risk as an architectural problem, not a training problem.